telling me.
I'm not. Yes, sir.
Can I go see Mommy?
Not right now. You need to eat your peas.
Are you videotaping him?
No. Eat your peas.
What are you doing?
I'm just gonna sit here while you guys eat your peas.
I'm on the sun. So.
This doesn't feel like a great idea. You realize that peanut Carter.
Guys, I'm just messing with the camera. Eat your peas. Let's get back to the focus at hand.
No, look at
Put your hand down. There's a lot of peas left on that plate.
Look at mine.
Easy.
Sit down. You still got another scoop there.
Trevor, I just ate about drinking.
Good job.
I don't want anymore. I'm so full. I'm doing feet.
Poop.
Poop.
Y'all laughing like a bunch of hyenas.
Okay, okay.
Done. Say that again.
Say what again?
You're laughing like a hyena.
Like hyena. Get it right.
Don't look at me.
Oh, this is my life.